Hey there, future finance whizzes. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward: how to see your card number on the GoHenry app in 2025. If you're a parent or teen using GoHenry for smart money management, this quick guide will have you viewing your card details in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the GoHenry app installed on your smartphone. It's always a good idea to update your apps for the newest features and security enhancements. Once you're all set, open the app and log in with your credentials. Don't worry if you have two-factor authentication, it's there to keep your info safe, so go ahead and complete that step. Now, once you're inside the app, head over to the Cards section. You can usually find this by tapping on the menu icon in the bottom right corner. It's that little grid or hamburger icon. Look for your card under the list of accounts. Tap on it, and you'll see an option that says View Card Details or something similar. Go ahead and select that. Here's where it gets exciting. The app might ask you to verify your identity again, like entering a PIN or using biometric login, such as your fingerprint or Face ID. This is just an extra layer of protection, especially since we're dealing with sensitive info like card numbers. After verification, your full card number should pop up on the screen. Take a moment to note it down or screenshot it if you need it for a transaction. If you're having any trouble, double-check that you're using the 2025 update, as GoHenry might have tweaked the interface. And remember, for security reasons, the card number might only be visible for a short time or require you to enable it in your settings first. There you have it. That's all it takes to view your card number on GoHenry. It's quick, secure, and empowers you to manage your finances like a pro. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.